Welcome back. So this is uh, another installment of the basic uh, terminologies, uh, the series which basically discusses about the basic terminologies of a database. So here we are going to discuss the domain of a data. So when we say domain of a data, we mean for a particular set of data, for a particular attribute of data, for a particular column of a table of a data, for a particular column, basically, uh, whatever other values which that column with that attribute may contain, or the whatever are the expected values. So that becomes a domain of a data. So, for example, if an attribute is gender, so that column is a gender basically. Column contains all the values, all the information regarding the gender of a person. So for that column or for that attribute, the domain would be either male or female, or another one can be a transgender. So it's maximum three: male, female, it's transgender. So that's the domain of that attribute gender. As another example, we have, for example, we have an attribute called weather. So for this, the domain would be either summer, winters, monsoon, autumn, spring. So these are all the possible expected values which can go in this attribute, which can go in this column of a particular data. So an attribute, basically a column of a table usually represents an attribute. Usually represents an attribute. So these are the possible values which can go, which can be entered in that data, in that attribute, you know, of data. So that's data domain, and we'll very often come across this term as well when dealing with the database. So yeah, we should know that. Thank you.